Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about the settings for using two ESP boards. So if we are going to use two ESP32, one will be connected with the inverter with help of TTL module. And the other will be acting as the web server. The distance between these two boards can be from 100 liters to 10,000 meters. Well, yes, this is very strange number. But this SIT claims to reach 480 meters. With built-in antennas and using 4 ESP32. And this one. The ESP official website says they go up to 10 kilometers. So the area and walls you need to cross need some tests. Using this software you can do it. So as I was saying, connect one ESP to TTL module. Then TTL to solar inverter with LAN serial cable. This ESP32 sends data wirelessly to other ESP32. And this ESP32 will act as web server. Thus data can be seen on your phone or PC. In this video I will be referring to the ESP that is connected with the inverter as Inverter ESP. And the one acting as web server will be named as Server ESP. Let's proceed to see what settings are needed. Let's first set Server ESP. These are the steps you need to follow. Boot from Server ESP. Connect to set test Wi-Fi. And then set services to 3. Then restart. Look for the new Wi-Fi Sit2. Password is same numerical 1 to 8. Connect to website Sit. Copy MAC address. So let's start. This is my second ESP. Server ESP. It is booting, an IP address will appear shortly, which is 192.168.4.1 MDNS SIT. Let's connect to its Wi-Fi. Here are available networks. Let's connect to SIT test. Password is already there. This should connect without any problems. Let's check connection with IP config command. Here is command prompt. My PC IP is 192.168.4.2. This means I am connected correctly. Let's go to Sit/web page. And here is my page. Now I have to choose services of this device. Number 3. ESP server will receive data. It will not connect to inverter. But it will receive data from other ESP. And act as web server. Number 3 and save. If this is correctly saved, you can see 3 will appear in serial monitor. Serial monitor is not necessary. Software will work without serial monitor. Let's restart. Notice that this is now 2 Slovenian tolars. IP will remain the same. Let's open Netrox. And connect to Sit_2. Password remains same 1 to 8. Let's again make sure we are connected properly. Command prompt again. .4.2. Perfect. Note page reference it's 2 Slovenian tolars/. Our server ESP is ready. We need to copy its MAC address. Let's save it in Notepad for now. Setting of a specially server is complete. Let's set up the other ESP. That is Inverter ESP. First disconnect power of Server ESP. And connect Inverter ESP. Better don't power up both during setup. Once Inverter ESP boots, connect to Sit test Wi-Fi. And go to Sit web page. Choose services at 2, inverter and sender. Update MAC address of other device and restart. Let's do it. First disconnect server ESP at COM5. And connect inverter ESP. That should be at COM port 3. Now we need to change our Wi-Fi. We should be connected to Sit test. Go to network. Show available networks. Let's check our IP to be sure. ipconfig. So I have this IP 192.168.4.2, good. Let's go to page Sit/. Let's change services to 2. Default is 1, inverter AMD server both. With 2, device will read date from inverter. And send to server ESP. Remember server ESP was set as 3. Let's save. With save, you can see number 2 is appearing in serial monitor. Time to update MAC address of the other especially. This is very important. Don't miss this step. Otherwise ESP will not communicate with each other. Notepad copy and paste. Save and MAC address also appears in monitor. Monitoring window is very helpful, though not necessary. Let's restart. IP address will appear shortly. If you start seeing this new line, delivery. This means ESP is trying to send data to other ESP. Let's connect other board. We have COM port 3 only. Both ESP are connected now. I have 2 ports, one is 3 other 5. You can see that bytes are being received. On COM 3, data delivery is successful. Both ESP are not communicating with each other. But where is data? Ah, I have not yet connected with inverter. Let's connect with inverter. You can see communication has started with numbers appearing. On COM 5, data is also appearing. Let's check our web server to be sure. Let's change network to Sit2. I hope you remember Sit2 connects us with Server ESP. Let's check IP. We have 4.2, so connected. Let's check Set2/. We are having numbers in red. So inverter data is being transferred wirelessly. This is how you connect to ESP. Now you can test range. I hope this will serve you good. One last thing in this video. How to factory reset inverter ESP. It's easy to do for server ESP. For inverter ESP you need to change your network. Connect to SIT test. Then go to Sit/page. First check my IP config. It's correctly connected. Now we have only one option. Factory reset. This will do the job. This is how to reset device. I hope that this tutorial will be helpful for you. And you will be able to check ESP range. 32U without external antenna don't work properly. So keep this in mind that if you're using 32U. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comments. I will try to answer them.